thanks for coming back and checking out another video. We've got a Chubb padlock in the vise that was sent to me by XB Mods. You might have seen it in the previous video where I was opening up the Lockwoods. So we've got the competition one, the XFS, and yeah, I had a little go at it, but obviously it weren't likely to get opened in the package opening. But when I did look back and I checked out my raking, I thought, fucking hell, it's diabolical. Really didn't really do a good job of raking that. I was all over the shop with the pick. But we've got that to look forward to, and I'm going to capture me bloopers like I did with the previous Dom video, so you'll be able to check them out when it finally does open, or if it finally opens. But I thought I'm only half concentrating because it's football's on the TV, so I've got one eye on the locks and one eye on the telly. Cool, big false set then. There we go. Well, that had some fucking big spools in there. Definitely. And no, it's not guttable. That's a shame. I might get my Dremel out at the weekend and give it a bit of a clean up. See if that will polish up a little bit and get that back out into the community. But I really do appreciate you sending me that through. It was a lovely little pick, and yeah, some deep spools in there. I could see this being a pick killer.